Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can delete your Subway account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.subway.com/en-us. So once you type this, you will be redirected to its homepage where you need to click the profile icon. Once you do it, you need to fill in your credentials and get logged in into your account. So after that, you need to click the profile icon once again, which will then give you several other options. So now simply choose the customer profile option and fill in the necessary details that are required. So once you do so, all you need to do is click on the dialog box and click on delete account. So once you click on delete account, you need to again fill in your details which are required. So after this, all you need to do is click on the submit option and you are all done. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.